I would like to congratulate all the prize winners for their wonderful performance in giving a lead to the public sector units in India. This is a lead not just for their units but perhaps much more for those that are still lagging a little far behind and need incentive to catch up with the better units. I would like to congratulate the public sector for the remarkable performance. For the first time, we are seeing a real performance coming from the public sector. It just goes to show that there is no such thing as private sector being better. Public sector has shown that in many key areas they can operate and function at higher levels of efficiency and with better performance than even the best private sector companies. I would like to congratulate you for demonstrating this not only to India and our public sector but for the whole world to see, because there is a tendency to believe that the public sector is bad and the private sector is good. The fact is that there is no such law that operates. It is the individual management that matters. There is good management in the public sector and there is bad management too. Equally, there is good and bad management in the private sector. It is the method of work we have to look for. It is not this or that sector that counts, but the nation as a whole. This makes the difference in performance in our industries. In the public sector, you have given a new lead. The public sector was built to give such a lead when it was started in the 50s. Today, the role must change slightly. The leading role that you have must continue, but you must move into new fields and a lot more needs to be done. The challenge ahead is going to be even more than the challenge that you faced in the past. The only way out is good performance, efficiency, and this is where you must give the lead in the coming years. The world is already drawing the battle lines. Various countries are making groupings. We in India feel that any such grouping is bad. We would like all groups in the world function as one, especially in the economic field. While we struggle for that, the challenge that you will have to face is to give the lead in this fight that lies ahead. A taste of what could lie ahead was given to us. We have challenged it, but it is an indication of the type of challenges that you will have to face. The public sector must give the lead in strengthening the country in the face of such challenges. You have done well. I do not want to go into the details, but what we are expecting definitely from you is much more, and that is the only reason why we keep pressing you. The public sector should give lead and the private sector should adopt it and follow. The new direction must be in developing our own products, in being able to market our own products and compete with the best in the world in the years to come. I know you have it in you. Let us hope you start off the second 100 years with an even more remarkable performance. Dear sirs, I acknowledge receipt of your letter of the 20th instant and regret to know that you cannot agree to our offer for the supply of woolen shirtings. I think that you are under wrong impression regarding another offer of a cloth which you have received. In order to clear the position, I am enclosing a sample of our cheaper variety shirting. I have not offered this previously to you as mentioned in your original enquiry, and that you were particular in having best quality material. You will observe that in this variety, the enclosed sample compares favorably with the material of other companies and at a lesser cost. There is no comparison between our first grade shirting and the sample you have referred to, which is definitely a cheaper variety. Our first grade material is fully shrunk. The colors are guaranteed, and it was proved by elaborate laboratory tests as the better variety than any other similarly priced material in market. It is only by the use of modern production methods and by cutting our overhead charges to the minimum that we are able to supply first grade cloth at its present attractive price. Any further reduction in price is quite impossible. I am confident that the order placed with us will be amply justified to the satisfaction of our customers, while assuring you of our best attention at all times. A very favorable reply is requested. Yours truly.